Hi, this is homework number 3 for the week. It is a packet. You can answer on the packet if you want, or you can just type up a document or handwrite a document with your answers. Okay, so you'll read the conversations for exercise 1, answer the questions. For exercise 2, you'll read the sentence and then circle the logical inference based on that sentence. And then for exercise 3, you'll read the passage and then say if it's a valid logical inference or if it's not. And then that goes over to the end. Okay, so 3 exercises, a bunch of questions. You're just going to send me the answers. This is in Blackboard called Inference Packet. Okay, talk to you soon.